Growing up in Newmarket and moving to Toronto to live in High Park, Steve Whitfield became fascinated by the architectural diversity and economic empowerment new immigrants benefited from by restoring and renting heritage properties. He remains committed to the environment by providing examples of how restored urban properties can be instrumental in the rejuvenation of local neighborhoods as opposed to the wrecking ball approach of major development. He continues to convert underperforming, neglected century homes and hopes to provide new, more affordable, dignified housing for Newmarket's growing number of young professionals in the coming years.